Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to add and exit Fastboot Mode on your Google Pixel 9. So in order to do that, first of all, let's turn off our phone. So to turn off our phone, find your power button right here at the bottom of the screen, right? And the volume up button. So hold those buttons simultaneously. We've got our power off menu, select power off, and give your phone a few seconds to turn off. So to enter your Fastboot Mode, simply hold power button and a volume down button simultaneously. Let's do this. Hold them until you'll feel a slight vibration, and now your Fastboot Mode will load up, just like this. So in your Fastboot Mode, you can choose between different options. So for example, you can press start, and this will return you to the normal operation of the phone. Use your volume up and volume down to navigate through these options, right? The next one is restart bootloader. This one restarts your Fastboot Mode if you need to begin the process again, right? Next one is recovery mode. This is going to be useful if you need to restore the system or perform a factory reset. Next one is rescue mode, a mode for emergency system recovery if the phone isn't turning on. Next one is barcode with the information, and the last one is power off. This simply turns off the phone. So to exit and to return to the normal mode, make sure to find your start option, right, and press the power button. Now our phone is gonna be rebooted into the standard mode. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.